Today I'm going to apply Gel X nails from the brand Press. This brand is including 12 different sizes and half sizes in between as well, which is very convenient. Right now I'm picking my sizes, and when I pick my nails, I want to make sure that they fit me perfectly from side wall to side wall, and that will be the widest part of my natural nail. You don't want these nails to be too big overlapping on your skin or too small that you have to press them down with force. I already prepped my natural nails for application. I push my cuticles above the shine from my natural nails slightly to remove any oils that could be there. I dehydrated the nails with acetone, or you can purchase a dehydrator as well. Next, I apply primer and I let it air dry for 30 seconds. That creates an sticky layer and it's gonna help with the adhesion of gel polishes. That same primer, I'm using it to prep the inside of the nail tips. As well, I apply one layer of the glue gel and I cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm moving on to the application of the nail tips. I have my portable lamp here ready. I'm going to apply an even layer of the glue gel inside the nail tip, and then I'm going to squeeze a little bit extra near the cuticle area. This portion of the video is in real time, so you can see exactly how slow is this process, because you have to be very accurate so you don't have any spillage. What I did is that I brought down the nail against my natural cuticle at 45-degree angle, but it's not touching my natural cuticle. I have like a millimeter of separation there. And then once I see the gel moving forward to the free edge, I'm flash curing here under my UV lamp. What I'm going to do is that I'm not gonna fully cure the nail, and that is going to allow me time to remove any spillage. I'm gonna be using the orange stick, and because the gel is still soft and not fully cured, I'm able to do this easily. This is gonna save me time later instead of going with a file later on. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the rest of the nails. And this is how the nails are looking right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure my full hand for 60 seconds. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and reshape the nails. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter. I prefer to be comfortable. Longer nails are nice, but it's not very practical for day-to-day activities. So I'm just gonna be doing some shortening here, like filing a little bit, not too much actually. And once I'm done with all this filing, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the cuticle area. I'm going to apply a little bit of acetone that is going to melt the nail tip a little bit more into my natural nail, and it's gonna look more flush against my natural cuticle. And that's what I'm doing here right now. Once I'm done applying the acetone, I'm just gonna let it air dry for a moment there, and I'm gonna start directly with the color. The color is a beautiful iMaily translucent pink. I'm gonna be curing each layer for 60 seconds, and then once I finish with the 2 layers, I'm gonna create a very simple design. Like, I really had to improvise today because I didn't have anything planned, so I purchased these flowers from GN, and it has like a little bit of brown in it. So I said, okay, I'm gonna base everything on this brown from the flowers. And I was creating an ombre here in the center of the nail. I think this pink was a little bit too strong for what I wanted to achieve, but it was already cured and I didn't want to remove the ombre and restart again because to be honest, it took me a long time just to finish both hands. And here is the flowers that I purchased. These ones are really cute. These are very similar to the 3D flowers that I see other nail artists doing with the solid gel. So I decided to try, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply that on my ring finger. I like the little flower, it's actually really cute. So I took some brown and I started to create a Frenchie on the index finger. So that's what I'm going to do as well for the pinky and the thumbnail. For the middle finger, I'm just going to do, I'm going to do a framing of the whole nail to apply a tiny star that I have is another sticker. So sometimes when you just want to go a little bit faster because you're running out of time, stickers are a great idea, and there are so many cute ones out there that you can choose from. And it's actually saving me today, to be honest. Okay, I'm done with the left hand. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the top coat. The top coat is from Imeili. This is a HEMA-free top coat. It's very shiny, even days after, still the shine is there. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to complete my right hand and I'll come back with the final results. And this is it for today. These are the final results. I think the nails came out really cute. I was a little bit worried about the center ombre in pink. Maybe next time I'll do something lighter or a different color. But for today I was already committed to this color, so I went for it. And I think it came out really nice. What do you think, guys? If you stay until the end of the video, I just want to say thank you very much. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next one. You have a wonderful day.